cooking session of the thenoypichef.
Pero? Right, thanks Angeline. For today's cooking session guys, we are making one of Angeline's favorite dish, which is
Phad Thai!
right, Phad Thai is one of the common dish in Thailand that everyone loves to do, even in this country. I actually had it 7 years ago, Angeline, and when I had it in one of the restaurants here in UK, I was so amazed. You can actually do this with prawns in it. If you're not a fan of prawns, you can use chicken instead, or
If you're a vegetarian,
yeah, if you're a vegetarian, you can use tofu.
it's very versatile.
Yeah, of course, definitely. One of the good things that I quite like with this dish as well is there's so much flavor in it. It's salty,
Sweet,
spicy, tangy, nutty.
Instead of cooking the egg together with the dish, I'm gonna make egg floss.
Ooh, fancy!
Right, ready Angeline?
Yes, chef!
Let's begin. To start this dish guys, we're gonna have to prepare all the vegetables that we've got. I'm gonna show Angeline how to cut the vegetable.
For the Phad Thai.
Well, she knows how to cut vegetable, but I want my standard, so let's do it.
Yes, chef!
While Angeline is doing the vegetable for the Phad Thai, I'm gonna start soaking the noodles in a warm water and then prepare the stuff for the egg floss. Have you done egg floss before, AJ?
No, I mean, like yourself,
Yeah.
I only see them do it in videos, but this is actually good that
Yeah.
I'm in here.
Well, it's really cool as well when you do it, isn't it?
Yeah.
The only thing is this one is when you do this one, guys, please, you have to be very careful in it because I'm gonna add a bit of water in it, and then imagine if you're cooking something with oil and you drop some water in it, it will start jumping. Angeline is finished preparing the meat, the vegetable, and the rice noodle for the dish. Now we're ready to do the egg floss. Exciting!
Exciting!
Yeah. You have to be careful when you do this one because you are dealing with
Hot oil.
hot oil and egg with water inside. So yeah.
It will
So,
be very splashy.
yeah,
be
it's
careful.
really splashy.
Have someone next to you who can shield him. Who can actually hold the strainer for me. I'm gonna slowly drop.
And I'm gonna run afterwards. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Look at that.
Oh wow.
That looks amazing, isn't it?
Oh my goodness, I could do this all day.
Right, and then what we need to do now, guys, just leave it there for a few minutes. And we have to use a wooden spoon
Break it out.
to break it up a bit. See that?
Wow.
It looks amazing, isn't it?
Gosh, this is amazing, yes.
Once the egg floss is finished, we can start making the pad thai. Drop your chicken in and cook it till it becomes brown. Next is the prawns. Cook it halfway through. I'm gonna transfer it in a clean container and start cooking my garlic and onion. Add your tofu in. Drop some fish sauce. Then the concentrated tamarind. Drop your palm sugar in and add a bit of water just to loosen it up. Then add your chili powder. Add the spring onion, manchu, and the bean sprout. Then add the meat back in. Season it with salt and pepper. Add a bit of peanuts. Then add your rice noodles. Toss it up. Job done.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next week.